A course in Moodle is basically a space on a Moodle site where one or more teachers can add learning resources and activities for their students. What your course might look like as a teacher will depend partly on the chosen theme and settings of your administrator. But you can usually expect to see blocks, for example here on the right hand side, but yours might be on the left or on both sides, of a larger central area where the actual teaching and learning resources will be added. In this course they are as numbered topics, but if we look at a different course, which is still Moodle but a different theme, you can see that these are divided into weekly sections, and there are blocks on the right and on the left. In another video we'll look at the use of these blocks. In order to add learning resources, you need to have the editing turned on, and you can do this by clicking the button top right or by going to your administration block and clicking the link Turn Editing On. This then displays a lot of icons allowing you to move, add, delete or hide activities. For example, there is a news forum here, and if I wish to move it into a different topic section, I click the crosshairs icon and I can move it by dragging and dropping. If you aren't able to drag and drop, then it's worth asking your administrator to check your browser settings and the Moodle site settings. In order to add files, documents or activities for your students, you need to click the link Add an activity or resource in the section where you would like them to appear. It doesn't matter if you choose the wrong section by mistake, because it's always possible to move afterwards. When you click Add an activity or resource, this displays Moodle's Activity Chooser, which then allows you to choose what you would like to add. We'll look at this in a separate video. If you don't see the link Add an activity or resource, it might be because it hasn't been turned on your course, in which case you can check in your administration block, Activity Chooser, or again ask your Moodle administrator to check your settings. In the next video we'll look at how you can change the name and the layout of your Moodle course.